Turn up to this one, customer said they've got no heat in. It's a Worcester combi boiler with a plug-in programmer. It's on the programmer. It's on at the room stat, but the boiler's just sat idling. So the first thing we're going to do is rip the case off. We're going to end up undoing about 46,000 screws because we need to get to the PCB. I'm going to check for voltage on LS. We're getting 240 on LS. Then I'm going to check for LR. We're getting 240 on LR. This proves the room stat's doing its job, so it's going to be that time clock. So we're going to pull it out and the boiler will fire. You can hear it starting the ignition sequence. Green light means go. That's proved it's the MT10 at fault, so we get a new one. I keep them on the van. I'm going to turn the power off. I'm going to pop that in. And pop it all back together. And when it's all clipped back in, we're going to turn the power back on. And turn it to 1 on the programmer. You can hear the ignition sequence. Green light means go part 2. Going to turn it off. Green light goes out. It's another one done. Happy days.